Hey guys, just want to do a quick review for you on this Aeocky dehumidifier. So I just got this thing a little while ago. I plan on using it in my bathroom, but to be honest, a main reason that I got it is just because they made so many claims on the listing that I was super curious about it while I was shopping around for dehumidifiers. Obviously, I can't attest to all of them yet or tell you everything about it, but I'm going to tell you what I know so far. So again, just a quick look around it, and then you can hear it beep. So it has like a level sensor in there. So if it happens to tip over, you'll hear it beeping. But when you level it back out, you heard it do a long beep. The beep turns off and it's ready to go again. But on the front, it has a really nice, clean looking basic setup. Has the power, one tap power. Then it has like a sleep mode. So just kind of sleep mode and on. And then it has a timer. So 8, 12, and 24-hour run. And then you have, here's your tank over here. But I want to say the thing that I am super impressed with the most so far that does seem to align with the claim is that I turn this thing on and it's like super, super quiet. I've like had other smaller dehumidifiers and they're still loud. This thing, I can't believe it. Like it's on. It doesn't even. It's not even as loud as a fan. Um, so I'm super impressed with that, and I'm hoping that the rest of their claims are equally as impressive. If so, then this is definitely going to turn out to be an amazing product. But I'll try it out for a few more days, and then I'll come back and I'm going to do another review to let you know if it truly is as good as the listing claims.